Hey, I'm off Melissa.
Sister.
Oh, I feel.
I know. I know. Hey, my bro, plain mood na.
Oh, be out here.
Sister, me say. Hey, this time around the day, I brought you sir. Hey, in fact, I was so bia kwa brochrebi. And you must sound. Hey, I say me call grocery shop B. I was Virginia City. Na me do or no. Hey,
Melissa. Virginia City, UK.
Yeah.
Virginia, there's America no.
Hey, sister. I broaden your horizon, kakra. I don't know where Kokwasi Krasini, sir.
Hey, Melissa.
Oh, please. I don't know. You are too local for my liking. Are they? Melissa. Virginia City. UK. Virginia City, UK. Hey, how did you? Nanga Virginia City, ain't funny. Hey, sister. UK Virginia City, oh, no, nama. No, nama. Plain, no, nama, no, pamper. Hey, one year careful, nay, you tiako. Hey, serious.
Hey, sister.
Hey, all day, Jay. You need me, mamma, to Sabrewa, to Sonia, my baby, my Toma Carry, my top bread romance.
Hey, Melissa,
and your mamma, ya bro, dear. Who need how? Now, some day, they be a ho. L. Hey, guy, be a man in a full plane.
Sir?
Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey. Hey, sister. The guy is. Hey, guy, you're so appetizing. Me say, oh, guys, now, oh, man, pink in the bee.
You want me come?
Who's there being able to say, dear? Now, that for back, you're not making name.
Eh? I'm not say appetizing.
Hey, a guy, no, me got snap me sits na guy, no, but snap me chay. Guy, na man, nanny. Na me shine style be. When a guy, ne bear me, or bear me say, hello, I'm say, hi. That was sweet, eh?
What is the number?
Me want the number.
Hey.
Representing. Hey, sister. Hi. Me say guy, ne dear, te say, me so son of die or me die. Hey, me be na guy ne Germany so. The guy is sweet.
I'll blink you. Hey, pictures now can say, you be child now de. Alpha camera number.
L. Me refi camera.
Oh, Melissa, refi sing.
Me refi me check camera pictures are me chapa. I'm the refi me hosa. Me refi camera no. Me now I knew about me refi.
Hey, listen.
And I'm palm refi.
Into one farmer.
I'm fine. Okay, my friend me no they are saying.
I want our phone, you create pictures. Yeah, mama.
Me to different types of phones. Me what Galaxy. Me what young would say. Now my market cancer. Me what surprise Charlie. I said me relax my breath. Plain moods na easy.
Oh, blanket.
Hey, stars.
Oh, blanket.
Ice no. L. Next month so me go holidays. Me no be call.
Me what passport.
Me never pay back as I no watch but to ticket.
Melissa, this dress is nice.
Hey, atare we want some na woka. Eye pure caden. Me turn £1,600. Me to Paris abontin. Sister, that time can e winter. Na, me say some ka show say. Niama mommy aye no. A ode ba no. Enye niama ketewa. E ba mess sound costume no. Yeah, she said we as a China. I don't even know. You are dealing with a big girl. So you have to dress. What am I say? Now, Miss Ted Baker. And easy.
Melissa, wait. Last time, let me show movie B, and a girl was wearing the same thing. Me can't say attire near me.
Attire way, sister. And then attire way. Attire in Papa Cope and a shabby. I Beyonce musician. Or no pet and a water away be. And cause I said one. Hey, we do be to me because they're very expensive.
I tell you what, baby should be one movie be more.
What would you what? So someone na wa bodua. Ah, atare we me si nipa ba ko pe. E na wo bi, e wo wiase nyina. E ka me ho. What in America no? Ghana movie there almost didn't hear because hey, atare we. Hey, please. Are you serious? Oh my God. Hey. Oh. Baby, let me call you back. Okay, let me call you back. Okay. What is this? Don't tell me this is vanilla.
Oh, please, Melissa, you requested for vanilla.
Oh, Ghana. What is this? Hey, is this cocoa?
Pepper.
Ah, the last time I tasted vanilla was in Paris. And it was so nice. I mean, the taste. Now, where did you
Mommy.
Oh, please.
Melissa, for mommy.
Anyway, I don't want you to be offended. Mommy and Shay. Ah. Are you sure it's ice cream?
Melissa, then I.
Anyway, Ghana me can some chill. In fact, also have a fire pea.
Wow.
Shopping beer or ya praying. Me, I can't wait to. I miss it so
okay,
much.
when is he taking us out? Stabbing?
One country, me.
Oh.
One country, but the guy is so sweet. Hey,
Melissa. It means you have to look like big girls, you know.
You know. Hey, let me taste.
Oh, me the jaja. What? It's yours.
Okay, I'll be right back. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, are you coming from evening lectures?
Yes, I'm come for evening lecture.
Please, did you see Professor Nyako?
Professor Nyako.
That man with grey hair and...
The man with that man with beer and the fita won't fin.
Yeah.
Oh, when I'm come, I'm see Mr. Nyako. It go to the under the tree where the car standing.
Are you in this hostel?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. All right.
Sorry for dragging you here. Are you also in this hostel?
Yes, I'm here.
Good. And what's your name?
My name is Abigail.
What a beautiful name. You know what? I brought you here on purpose. I want us to relate. I want you to become my friend.
Pacho, Papa, wait, I'm praising you. I'm not one friend. Me Pacho, me I want to go. No, I'm praising you. Please, I'm not one friend. I'm not one friend at all.
Listen. Nanamfo America, nyate say boys and girls dey. Nim say manyini ana me boa.
Minim say we penny, we say what is me papa. Me ntime fa wadam for. Me here dan for. I'm praising you. I'm please.
Me te say oh papa. So I want to relate with you like so when you me
Please, I'm go learn.
Jesus unim me.
Minimum panya we any mam no timba Jesus kan.
You know that this hostel is mine. Yeah, which means I'm in a good position to take good care of you.
Please, I'm not new friend. I'm go. I'm not one.
Girl, why are you stubborn? When him say me old soldier. Didn't keep a car from What? Me old soldier. Me know, cause I'm